In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create this countdown timer effect in Canva. Let's go! I'll start with designing the timer. If you already have an idea in mind and just want to learn how to do this timer effect, you can use the timestamps in the video description to jump to the next part. I'll create a gradient background using this pink and purple palette. Press R to create a rectangle, then resize it so it looks a bit like a phone screen. I'll round the corners and change the color to white. Next, I'll add a title at the top and then search for circles. Filter by animated to find a ring that will circle the timer itself. I love this one, so I'll resize it and position it so it fits perfectly in the middle. Now I'll add a text box with the timer and position it right in the center of the circle. After that, I'll add a few icons to make it look like buttons, adjust the text a bit, and throw in a back icon. To give it a little 3D vibe, I'll duplicate the shape, change its color, and position it behind the white one. Now I want to create more pages for the rest of the countdown. I'll make a new spreadsheet, add the first and second times, select them both, and drag down until I see 0 seconds. I'll download this as a CSV file and head back to Canva. Next, go to Apps and click on the bulk Create. This feature is only for Canva Pro users, so if you're using the free version, you will need to duplicate the pages and change the times manually. I'll click Upload Data and select the CSV file I just downloaded. Then I'll click on the timer text box, select Connect Data, and choose the timer again. I'll hit Continue and see all the pages Canva will generate for me. Just click here and Canva will create a new design with all those pages duplicated. I'll double check to make sure the numbers are in the right order. I noticed I don't have the first frame with 30 seconds, so I'll duplicate one of the pages and change the numbers to 30. The last thing I'll do is to set the duration of all the pages to 1 second. And we're done. Now just download it as an MP4 or GIF and you've got a countdown timer effect. And that's it for this video. I hope you find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to learn more Canva tricks and design like a pro.